In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add charts and graphs to your Wix website. If you want to make your website more visual and easier to understand, adding charts and graphs is a great option. They can help you present statistics, comparisons, or other important information in a clear and professional way. The good news is that Wix makes this process very simple, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through it in a smooth, straightforward way. To get started, go to your Wix site and open the page where you want the chart or graph to appear. Make sure you're inside the Wix editor so you can add new elements directly onto your site. This is where you'll be making all the changes, so once you're there, you're ready for the next step. From the editor, look to the top left corner of the screen and click on Add. This is the main area Wix gives you for inserting new content and features into your website. After clicking Add, choose Elements. This section contains a wide variety of design items and tools that you can place on your page, so it's the right place to begin when you want to add something visual like a chart. Once you're inside the Elements section, use the search bar and type in Chart and Graph. This will help you find the correct app more quickly instead of scrolling through different categories. After searching, you should see the Chart and Graph app appear in the results. When you find it, click on it. If you haven't added this app to your site before, Wix may ask you to agree to the app terms before continuing. In that case, simply click Agree and Add. This will install the Chart and Graph app onto your website and make it available in your editor. After that, the app will be added to your page and you can begin placing it where you want it to appear. A helpful tip here is to think about where visitors will naturally look for data or visual information, so your chart feels like a natural part of the page rather than something randomly inserted. It's also a good idea to make sure there's enough space around it so the graph is easy to read. And that's it. That's how you add charts and graphs to your Wix website. As you can see, the process is quick, beginner-friendly, and only takes a few clicks inside the editor. Once the app is added, you're one step closer to making your website more engaging and informative.